Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. If you're looking to improve the performance of your Ford Ranger 3.2 litre, we certainly can help you there with our gains from just a custom dyno tune of anywhere from 25 to 30%. But if you're looking for those big gains of more power and torque, then the Ultimate Torque package is for you. But hey, check out some of the videos we've got behind this. There you go guys, if you're looking to really transform the way your Ranger drives, then we can certainly help and improve that here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Improving throttle response, get rid of that lag down low, and improving the mid-range torque for your Ranger, which transforms the vehicle for everyday driving and towing. But make sure you follow us at Ultimate Diesel Tuning.